Hey buddy, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create basic pie charts in R. Welcome to Datatastic, I'm Paul, and if you have never created a pie chart before, this video will be perfect for you. So let's jump right in. Let's start off by creating some sample data. So in this example I'm going to create a vector that contains different foods. So let's say, for example, apple, banana, mango, avocado, and orange. And let's create another vector that contains the quantities. So let's use the sample function. Let's sample values between 1 and 50. 5 different values, and set replace to true. And now we can go ahead and create a data frame, for example. So let's say data.frame, and we pass both vectors as a parameter. And there we go. Down here you can see we have the different foods and the quantities for each one, and that's very basic categorical data that we can perfectly visualize using a pie chart. So what we can do is use the pie function. That's the function that we use to create a pie chart, and we can start off by just passing the quantities, and there we go. We already have a very basic pie chart, but we can go ahead and let's again pass the quantities. And to make it a bit more visual, let's use col for color. And now we can pass a vector with different colors for each slice of the pie. So we can, for example, say green for the first slice, which is an apple. Next, banana, let's just say yellow. Mango, red, more or less. Dark green for the avocado. And orange, of course, for oranges. And now we have a much better pie chart already. And another thing that's very common with pie charts is to add a legend. So when we want to add a legend, we start off by defining the location for the legend. So as a string we could say top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, so we can specify the position. I'm just going to say top left. Now we have to pass the values for the legends. In this example, that's going to be the foods, the different names of the foods. And we can also specify colors. So we can say fill, and here we can just copy the vector from above. And there we go. Now we have a very basic pie chart with a legend. So that's how you create a pie chart. It's fairly simple. I hope that was a good introduction. If you are interested in learning more about R, feel free to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.